Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Phones on the market, one of the best gaming phones for the market, and also 6.67 inches 2K display, sharp, vibrant, no notches, no punch holes. Something we've been waiting for from Samsung. They haven't given us yet on their flagship. Oneplus has delivered, and they've done it in style. They just look and feel fast, fresh, effective. Now, you know Oneplus goes with the most powerful processor, the Snapdragon 855. It goes from 6 to 12 gigs of RAM. The variant I have here, the Nebula Blue here, which looks nice, has 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. Dolby Atmos too. So there's Dolby Atmos. You're getting that more dynamic sound with it too. OnePlus is stepping up. Now there is no headphone. Ran max in 95 degrees, and after maybe about, it's got that thermal cooling layer as well, or liquid cooling if you will, sorry. Then when you're talking about that screen, the refresh rate, really fast, really smooth. Everything you want, this thing has it. And think about it, for pricing, if you're spending about $699, you gain the 8 gigabytes with 256. That is insane. It is insane, the kind of quality you're getting and the performance. Plus, everything else on this phone really works well. Photos really look good, daytime, low light shots, looking at Wonder Woman here. I was impressed. I was absolutely impressed. And I think OnePlus has hit the mark and is now a true competitor in that flagship space at pricing that really